so many great organizations out there doing it, but this one is special because this is Vietnam vets doing this for their own brothers and sisters, and now for the brothers and sisters coming home from the Iraq and Afghanistan war on terror. Veterans and the men and women of our armed forces are the most important people we have as citizens in this country, and they do the most valuable work for the rest of us, and we all benefit from their action.
What made you decide, not being a veteran, to focus on?
Well, it's an interesting question, and it's sort of a confluence of several events. I ride motorcycles. I ride Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Through motorcycles, I've met a lot of wonderful people, majority of which are people from the armed forces, ironically enough. I've become a member of a motorcycle club because of my motorcycle enthusiasm, and it's a veterans advocacy group in itself. The chapter of the Blues Fighters Motorcycle Club that I'm the head of, we're actually a nonprofit, and we raise money for disabled vets. So the motorcycle community as a whole, the enthusiasts, are looking for things to ride for, looking for things to do for. They're one of the most giving communities that we have in this country, I think. And so that's why Rolling Thunder, in my own personal opinion, is so successful, is because you've got people that are dedicated, that are passionate about their way of life, their freedom, and they channel it into this event, and it brings everybody out, and we have a big celebration, a big party, and we're bringing attention to the cause.
This is Rosalita, 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is Rosalita, 1.
1.
Priscilla was the other one. All right.
That's okay, you're in the picture. You're good, you're good. We'll make you famous.
became the Alliance's Director of Research, Lynn O'Shea. In December, we lost Lynn to cancer. Lynn was a dear friend of my family's, and she was the unsung hero to many other family members, as she was a pit bull when it came to research. She was a concerned citizen, like many of you here. She was not a relative to a POW. She bought herself a POW bracelet and decided to attend a few events where she came in contact with my aunt, Dolores Apodaca Alphonse. They were the dynamic duo. They testified in front of Senate and Congress together. They were featured in various newspaper and media articles, from C-SPAN to CNN to the Washington Post to Stars and Stripes. Up until Dolores' death in 2010, the dynamic duo had been the Alliance's representation at Rolling Thunder for well over 20 years.
Years ago, Russia released a World War II prisoner of war. When they captured him during the war, they put him in a POW camp, and from there he went to an insane asylum because they thought he was crazy. He wasn't crazy, he was Hungarian, and they didn't speak his language. So they kept him there almost all of his life. Our government keeps saying they're all dead. February of this year, another POW that was captured in 1945 during the war, he was in Adolf Hitler's Panzer Group, and he was captured in 1945, and he was put in a POW camp, and he was there until February of this year. Why? Why are they demanding freedom for these people? I don't care if it's an American citizen, if it's a German, whatever. Let them come home. The war's been over for many years. What are we doing here? What are we proving? Nothing. Because they don't care.